my channel Chai with Varu.
Wish you all a very happy New Year 2024. I like to start off my new year with a yummy sweet treat mango burfi and share this yummy recipe with you all. So let's look at the ingredients for this recipe. So we would need almond flour half a cup, sugar 1/4 cup, cardamom powder a small pinch, and few dry nuts like almonds, walnuts and pistachios, and then 1 cup of frozen mango cubes and some saffron and a little bit of milk. Soak these saffron strands for about 20 minutes in the warm milk, and while that's getting soaked there, grind in these frozen mango cubes into a puree like this. Finely chop these mixed nuts for the garnish. So a handful of mixed nuts I have finely chopped, and 1/4 of the mixed nuts I have dry roasted in low flame, and I'm grinding it into a fine powder here. This can be used in the sweet to get the thickness. It adds in flavor too. In a heated pan on medium flame, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once it melts a little bit, add in 1 cup of the mango puree to this and mix it thoroughly. And then to this I'm adding in half a cup of almond flour. Mix it well. Now I'm adding in 1/4 cup of the mixed nuts powder, which is dry roasted and grounded into a fine powder like this. Now mix all these ingredients well, and now add in the saffron milk, some cardamom powder, around a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 cup of the sugar. Mix in all the ingredients thoroughly. Now keep mixing this between low to medium flame continuously. Keep stirring it continuously, and once it thickens a little bit, add in the chopped mixed nuts and then start stirring it continuously again. Make sure to do it between low to medium flame. Keep stirring it continuously until you achieve a thick dough consistency. That's when you switch off the flame and take it out on a greased plate. So as you can see, this is the perfect consistency we're looking for. At this stage, turn off the stove and then grease a plate with some butter or ghee and pour in the cooked mixture and let it cool off, and then cut it into bite-sized pieces and enjoy this delicious sweet mango burfi treat. Finally, garnish the mango burfi with few chopped mixed nuts and few strands of saffron and enjoy. Do try this yummy mango burfi recipe and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. If you liked my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also, don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.